Are you trying to launch a game or software but getting this annoying msvcp140.dll was not found error? Don't worry, you are not alone. In this video, I'll show you the official and fastest way to fix this once and for all. This error usually happens because the Microsoft Visual C++ Redistributable package is either missing or corrupted on your Windows system. I'll show you the safe, official method. First, open your browser and search for Microsoft Visual C++ Redistributable official download. Click on the official Microsoft link. I've also provided the direct link in the description below for your convenience. Now, this is important. Even if you have a 64-bit system, I highly recommend downloading both the x86 and x64 versions. Many applications still rely on the 32-bit architecture to run properly. Once downloaded, run the installers one by one. Agree to the terms and click Install. It only takes a few seconds. If you already have a version installed, simply click Repair to fix any corrupted files. After the installation is complete, a quick restart is recommended. Now, let's try to launch the app again. And as you can see, it's working perfectly. If this video helped you, please hit the like button and subscribe to 4K Torque for more crystal clear tech solutions.